Hello and welcome to Model Rail video number 4, which as usual is designed to supplement and enhance your enjoyment of our monthly Model Rail magazine. We've put together a great programme featuring lots of ideas, inspiration, reference and technique, all just the way that you've told us that you want to see them. In this programme we'll be visiting Chris Evans' marvellous Llandudno Junction layout, which recreates the seaside resort on summer Saturdays in 1961. We'll help you to tackle what for many modellers is a real black art, soldering. We'll also take a look at the legendary Pendon Museum. And there'll be lots of other really useful hints and tips, including how to lay top quality track and add that all-important ballast. But first, let's take a few minutes to explore Culham Station, some 56 miles from Paddington. Opened in 1844, this unusual station has a very interesting history and would make an excellent model. Culham Station, on the Didcot to Oxford main line, is just a stone's throw from Pendon Museum. This station is important because it's the very last survivor of one of Isambard Kingdom Brunel's famous roadside stations. These were part of the great engineer's grand plan to provide a comprehensive rail service by providing a railhead every 5 or 7 miles or so between important centres of population. Built to one of Brunel's standard design, Culham's Elizabethan brick and stonework is complemented by this beautiful timber canopy, supported on these elegant cast iron brackets. We'll see more of those in model form at Pendon later, but meanwhile let's just take a look round this wonderful station. This typical Brunel roadside station served no centre of population and was known as Abingdon Road until the opening of the Abingdon branch line in 1856, when it was renamed Culham after the nearest village about a mile away.